Before beginning setup of your Deltaweld 350, please take a few minutes to review important safety information found in the owner's manual. Remember to follow all warning labels and wear appropriate safety gear during setup and use. Begin by removing the shrink wrap. A quick setup guide is provided for you to refer to. Remove and unbox all the packages from the cart. Verify that all parts are present. Remove and discard the lag bolts and mounting brackets that were used to secure the cart to the wood blocks for shipping. Push the cart off the front block, and when the wheels and casters are on the pallet, slide the rear block out of the way. Continue to push the Deltaweld backwards until the wheels and casters are on the ground. Make sure the casters are locked. Align the hole under the wire feeder spool support with the post on top of the cart. Lower the feeder onto the post. Using the 1/2-inch bolt, washer, and spacer, secure the feeder to the post. With the feeder in the forward position, remove the pin and insert it through the hole in the feeder base and the hole in the cart's upper assembly. Loosen the knob on the drive assembly. Insert the MIG gun into the drive assembly and align the Accu-Mate with the groove in the gun and tighten the knob. Align the MIG gun control plug with the connector on the feeder. Push and twist to tighten. Align the power source end of the control cable to the connector on the front end of the power source. Push and twist until it clicks. Route the cable through the front and rear holes in the cart base. Then up through the hole in the gas cylinder upper bracket and underneath the spool support. Align the feeder end of the cable with the connector on the rear of the feeder. Route the positive weld cable through the front and rear holes in the cart base. This connector will be attached during wire feed setup. Connect the negative weld cable. Now it's time to connect the gas. If you're using a gas cylinder attached to the cart, secure it with a chain from the hardware kit and attach the regulator. Connect the gas hose to the machine. Push down the knobs to open the drive assembly and install the drive rolls. Attach the positive weld cable to the feeder drive bolt and tighten. To finish installation and setup of your Deltaweld 350, see your owner's manual for specific wire feeder and welding power source information.